Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I am Kristen, and today's video we are going to be doing my May Yes Oh Yes unbagging and my review of April's bag. So if you guys want to hear about all of that fun stuff, then keep watching. If you're new and you don't know what Yes Oh Yes is, it is a monthly subscription service that is $14.99 a month, and every month you get 3 to 7 full-size items. One of those products every month is a palette of some sort. We've gotten eyeshadow palettes, lip palettes, highlighting palettes. You guys get the idea. It's a really great subscription. I've had it for almost a year now, and I have been really enjoying it. I do like a lot of the brands that we get, and a lot of the products that we get are pretty cool too. If you guys want to sign up, I do have a link down below in the description box. I am a brand ambassador, so I do get a little something if you use my link to sign up. If you do use my link, thank you very much. I'm so grateful that you use my link. And that's everything I have to say about what Yes Oh Yes is. If you have any other questions, ask me down below and I will answer them for you guys. And yeah, so let's get into April's review. I think this is said amorous. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's amorous. So if I'm saying it wrong, I'm really sorry. But this palette is actually a really decent palette for $9. I love all the shades. It's a great palette. I really do enjoy it. I've used it a couple of times. I did do a tutorial with this, and I just used some like pretty basic colors, like this shade here and then this one. So if you guys want to see any more tutorials with this, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try to do something more colorful and fun using like these blues and greens and the purples, because I've been dying to use them. But honestly, I really do like this palette. One thing is some of the shades you really have to work with. You kind of have to pat them in the crease and then blend them out. It's not a big deal. It's a little bit of a learning curve and just trial and error to see what works and what doesn't. But overall, for $9, you really cannot go wrong with this palette. It's good. The next product is this Studio Makeup Line Styler pen, and this retails for $18. Honestly, this is probably one of my favorite things from April's bag. This lives up to its claims. It doesn't crease, it doesn't budge, it doesn't smudge. It stays on your eyelid all day long. It is amazing. I've had so many problems with eyeliners in the past where they'll crease on my eyelid. They'll like, actually the e.l.f. one in particular will literally like break up on my eyelid and like peel off. It's disgusting. This one is amazing. I really love the tip that it has. It's just a felt tip, but it's just so nice. It's not too flimsy like some eyeliners are. The Physicians Formula in particular is very flimsy. I really like this grip. It's just a matte plastic, but it's just a really good grip. I'm just obsessed with this eyeliner, and I would definitely repurchase it in the future because it's that good. The next product that we got was this Bodyography Electric Lip Side in the shade Cupid's Bow, and this retails for $20. So at first I wasn't the biggest fan of this color, to be completely honest with you guys, but once I got a little tan from when I went away, I feel like it looks so much better on me. It's just a really pretty pink shade, and these shades, if I'm not tan, they don't look good on me, to be completely honest with you guys. But it's really, really pretty. It's a really nice formula. It looks like it would be a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss, but it's really just a lipstick formula in a tube and a brush. So it's a different packaging, but a lipstick pretty much. But it's really, really nice. Like I said, I love the formula. It's very comfortable, not drying, and it lasts a pretty long time considering it's not a liquid lipstick. The one thing is this smells so gross. It honestly smells like celery. It smells like celery. But you don't really smell that once it's on your lips. But overall, I do love this. It's really pretty. Next up, we have this Dossie Blends The Polish, and this retails for $17. This I was pretty excited for because it is an exfoliator, and it just sounds really nice because there's Dead Sea Salt, activated charcoal, coconut oil, coffee, and a balancing essential oil blend, and this helps purify, detoxify, and glow. This is my issues with it. It's nice. It works. It feels nice on the skin. It's a very rough exfoliator, but it feels really good and relaxing. But it is so messy and very wasteful. You need to obviously wet this to get it to work on your skin, or else it's just going to be like rubbing dry sand on you and it's not going to do anything. But this, it's very wasteful because once the water hits it, a lot of the product leaves. It goes down the drain. That's number one. Number two, it smells horrible. I thought it was going to smell really nice because of the coffee and coconut oil. No, it smells terrible. So bad. And then when this is in your shower, it just lingers in the shower because it like gets up in the steam, and it's just, the smell is really bad. This stains. It stains. If your shower has white tiles like mine does, it's going to stain those white tiles. It stained my skin. I already have weird brown spots on my skin, which it's totally fine. Like, don't be concerned. This left like black stains on you if you don't rinse it off. You think you rinse it off really good, but then you look at yourself, like if you look at your stomach, there's gonna be black stains. So this, I don't think I would repurchase. And another thing, you can rinse yourself off, you'll still find the little like exfoliating beads, the grounds, I don't know what to call it, the sand. You still find it. You'll find it in crevices on your body you didn't even know existed. So with that being said, I don't think I would repurchase this because of just how many cons there are opposed to pros, which stinks because it is good. It helped my eczema, it helped my skin a lot, but it's a handful, and I can't do that. I don't have time for it. And the last product that we have is the Sorme Lip Brush, and this retails for anywhere between $14 and $17. So whenever I film these videos, I always write down notes for myself so I don't ramble. And in my notes, I wrote that I couldn't find this because I literally could not find this brush. And then when I sat down to film yesterday, because I filmed this video yesterday and it turned out horribly, so I'm refilming it, I found it like as I sat down to film. So I used it today to do like the wing liner and just smudge a little eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I like it for that. I really do like this brush. I think it's nice. For lips, I would never use it because it's way too fluffy for lips. The one bad thing is the packaging really makes the brush fray. I don't know if you can tell on camera. But yeah, the brush frays a whole lot. So I don't know if it's the packaging or if it's just like cheaply made. I'm going to say it's the packaging because the packaging is pretty cute. Kind of looks like a little pencil like that. But I like it for eyes. I would not use this for lips because I also just don't like lip brushes. The total value of the April bag was $78, and I liked 3 out of the 5 products. I liked the electric lip slide from Bodyography, the line styler pen from Studio Makeup, and the makeup palette from AMOR, the Lady Boss palette. Those were probably my 3 things that I really loved and my most used. I did use up the whole Dossie Blends thing, but just because I need to get it out of my shower. So now on to May's Unbagging. Every month you get a card in your bag, and this one just says 5 de Mayo or Cinco de Mayo because that's in May. And on the back here it just says May 2019. The moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup. Yes, your monthly savings was 79% off retail. Discover the goodness inside. Yes, oh yes. The first product from the May bag is this Masquerade Detox Diva mask. I'm very excited for the sheet mask. When I first got Yes, oh yes, I think it was my first bag. I got a Masquerade mask and I loved it. So this one is an exfoliating and detoxifying mask. It also says it's a hydrating sheet mask, so I don't know if it's like a 3-in-1 type of thing, but this has green tea, lemon, and cactus in it. Sounds great. Very excited to use it. You guys know I love sheet masks because of my FACETORY unboxings. The next product we have here is this Mirabella lip definer in the shade Tease. This is a really pretty pink shade, kind of like almost a Barbie pink. Super excited for this. I honestly, to be completely honest with you guys, don't own like any lip liners. I own the universal one from Sephora, and that's pretty much it. So I'm really excited for this, and I really like Mirabella. We've gotten some other products from them in the past that are really, really nice, and I really like their brand. You should check them out if you have not already. The next product is another lip product, and this is the Appeal holographic lip gloss in the shade Trendsetter. When I saw this, as a spoiler, I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm gonna love this. I don't know if I'm gonna like it at all. But when I got it in the mail, I think the color is gorgeous and I cannot wait to wear it. It is just, it's a clear gloss, but there is just some holographic reflex in it, as you can probably tell on the bottle, better than on my hand. But there's like green and purple. I'm just really excited to use it. I think pairing the Mirabella lip definer and the lip gloss together will look so pretty. So make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'll probably post a picture of that like little lip combo on there. Next we have this Larizzi Cosmetics Dew Pot in the shade Halo. I'm excited to try this product. So this, to me, it's a liquid highlight. You can put it underneath your foundation. You can put it on top of your foundation. Mix it in with a powder highlight. This is what it looks like swatched. It's just a pretty gold, but I feel like this could look flattering on a whole lot of skin tones because it's not too gold. Like, this is perfect for the summertime when you have that little tan, so you can have, like, you know, that perfect bronzy golden glow. It'll look really, really pretty. If you're too light for this, I think it would look really, really pretty as an inner corner highlight on your eyes. I like to do like different highlights on my eyes, so that looks always pretty. Or just an eyeshadow all over it would look really, really pretty. Or as like a base for a shimmer eyeshadow will look really great for that too. So I'm excited to try and play around with this and do different things, and I will let you know in my next review how I've been liking to use this and how I have been using it. And the last product that I am super excited for is this Beauty Creations Seduce Me palette. Apparently this palette was inspired by 50 Shades of Grey. I think that's what I was seeing online, or on Instagram really, but it is so pretty. Can we just talk about the packaging? The feathers, the purple, the white. I think it is so pretty. And then just the shades. You can get so many looks out of this palette. You can do a lot of neutral looks because you do have a good mix of neutral shades. You can do a lot of dramatic looks because of all the darker shades. You could do day to night easily with this palette. It is just so pretty. I really like Beauty Creations palettes. We've gotten, I think this is my 4th one from them now, from Yes Oh Yes, and they're just amazing. So I'm going to swatch a couple of shades for you guys. I'm going to do 2 shimmers and 2 mattes for you. So I'm going to do 50 Shades. I'm going to do Favors, Explicit, and Intimate. First we have 50 Shades, gorgeous purple. Then we have Favors, which is a really pretty like berry. Then Explicit. This is like a navy blue, like totally different, and do not own this shade. And then we have Intimate. So we have 50 Shades, I'm looking in the mirror behind you, 50 Shades, Favors, Explicit, and Intimate. Gorgeous shadows. Cannot wait to film with it. Do not worry, I will have a tutorial with it soon. I will have the total retail value right here of May's bag. So far, I'm really excited for all the products. I'm not like disappointed about one of them. Normally, I would be disappointed about 2 lip products, but because we got a lip liner and a lip gloss, they're 2 kind of like different in a way. I'm really excited for that. Sometimes we get like a lipstick and a liquid lipstick, which I think is very repetitive. But this time, like I said, it's a lip liner and a lip gloss. I can use them together. I can use them on their own. So I'm really, really excited for that. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Yes Oh Yes videos, and make sure you don't miss out on any tutorials, especially with the Seduce Me palette from Beauty Creations. If you sign up for Yes Oh Yes, please don't forget to use my link. If you do use my link, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions or any questions about Yes Oh Yes, ask me in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do it too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.